If you're running into an issue with a booking or your account and need expert help, reaching out to the right team is vital. In this video, I will show you how to contact Airbnb support as a host. Once you are logged into Airbnb, just go over to the top right, click on the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, and select Help Center. Once that page opens, you'll see several options for guests and home hosts, along with articles that might help you troubleshoot on your own. You might also see notifications about any active Resolution Center claims you have. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, just above the website footer. Click the Contact Us button. On the next screen, depending on your region and host status, you will be given the choice to start a live chat, send an email, or request a phone call. If your issue isn't urgent, you can choose Message Us. Keep in mind that messaging is generally slower and can take up to 24 hours for a response, whereas a phone call gets you to an agent much faster. Just type your message or dial the number to get the help you need. That's how you contact Airbnb support as a host.